Hello everybody, this is meteorologist Ryan Crump from WBKB 11. Here are some clips that I put together for you.
If it does come true, well, I'm looking forward to seeing 70-degree temperatures in March and April, but I know that's not going to happen here according to the climate. We might see some 40s and 50s, so that'll be good enough for me.
You know what my favorite type of weather is? Hurricanes. Oh yes, and they're the most violent type of storms you can witness here on planet Earth. They are so extraordinary. 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts, flash flooding. Even tornadoes cannot be ruled out with these storm surges. Even though we don't get hurricanes here in our neck of the woods, they do greatly affect our climate here at home.
We have a winter weather advisory and a winter storm watch, and that's going to be in store for us until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Again, blizzard-like conditions could be possible. Lots of snow, lower visibility. So again, if you don't have to go out, wait until at least Wednesday afternoon, because we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Presqu'Île and Alpena counties right now. We have 1.25-inch hail reported in our area. Now, right now, we do see some pop-up showers of thunderstorms in the area. Some of these are producing some very heavy rain, even some frequent lightning at times. So again, if you are out and about, please take shelter. This is a very dangerous situation. Or just wait till the storm actually wait out for the storm to pass through. Now we should be beginning to see it die down. Again, if you're going out to do some bowling, we're gonna give you a closer look on that here as we go forward. So yes, you're gonna see we're gonna have snow, and this is gonna remain with us as we go through the overnight hours, as we go through the morning rush hour, and even past the morning rush hour. We're gonna see snow move out of the area. We're gonna see skies actually clear a little bit. And it's going to be like that for you on Wednesday. More will come in our area on Thursday. That's going to quickly move out. And then guess what, guys? More, the second storm system, major winter storm system, will arrive in our area on our Friday. And that's deer hunting season. If you all going to go out and do some more deer hunting, well, it's going to see plenty of sunshine to start off the day. Wind gusts are going to be about 10 to 15 miles an hour. But as we go through the day, we're going to see more clouds, and we're going to see the wind gusts increase significantly up to 35 miles an hour. Where is the rain? Where's the rain? Well, guess what, guys? We only see 0.82 inches of rain for this entire month. We should be around 2.7 for the month on average. We're well below that as we go through this next several days, guys. And a lot of that's due to this cold front that bring us some rain showers. There's still going to be some more rain showers on the way as we go through the overnight hours. Based on here, some of these are going to be bringing us some very heavy rain. Luckily, no severe weather is going to be reported with any of these storms, but they're going to continue to be some rain chances going to your day on your Thursday and even your Friday. And now that's going to eventually move out, but this next cold front is going to bring us some really chilly air. That's going to bring us to fall-like temperatures next week. So definitely going to feel like a lot like fall.
Well, those are some of my favorite clips. Now, let's have a look at my full forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Joining us now, it's of course meteorologist Ryan Crump, who has a look at our weather forecast. Ryan, we got a little bit of snow over the weekend. Any more coming our way?
Yes, in the lake effect variety. Even though this is going to be the last full day of winter that we have here, spring arrives officially later on tomorrow night. I'll talk about that a little bit more in my forecast, but it's not going to feel much like spring. We're going to feel more like winter in terms of our temperatures. I'll talk about that as we go through this forecast as well. 34 degrees is the temperature right now in Alpena, 36 in Osceola and Tawas, and 30 degrees is the temperature in Rogers City. Lake effect snow showers is going to be in the forecast, Kevin. We just mentioned that just a few seconds ago. Nothing in the major in terms of accumulation, but we are going to have those lake effect snow showers, and it's going to feel much like winter in terms of our temperatures here, below average temperatures. Yes, it's going to feel like winter opposed to spring, even though spring will be with us tomorrow night. 34 degrees was the high temperature in Alpena today. Below average, 40 degrees. I haven't been mentioning a lot about below average temperatures this year so far because it's been so mild. Well, we're going to go through a colder stretch here. You're going to see that on my 7-day forecast. 75 degrees was the record high back in 2012. Negative 12 was the record low back in 1967. Now, we're not going to see any type of temperatures this cold, but it's going to be below average for this time of year. Sunrise is at 7:38 a.m., sunset at 7:45 p.m. So officially, we are over 12 hours of daylight here. 30 degrees is the temperature right now in Atlanta, 29 in Onaway, 34 in Harrisfield, 31 in West Branch, 30 degrees in Mile. With the winds, it's going to make it feel much colder. You might have noticed the winds winds are coming out of the northwest. The winds are turned around right now. They're coming out at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Some gusts is as high as 27 in Alpena in miles an hour, 18 in West Branch, 17 in miles, 17 in Atlanta. It's a 15 mile an hour wind gust in Oscoda. And of course, that's going to mean we're going to have to deal with some wind chills. And it feels like it's going to be in the 20s right now. It feels like it's 21 in Onaway, Atlanta, and Mile. 24 in Alpena, 22 in Washington City, 29 in Oscoda and Tawa. So going to have to bundle up if you are going out because it's not going to feel much like spring. Not for at least the time being. You see that here the next 5 days, we're going to be below average when it comes to our temperatures. Keep in mind, our average high for this time of year is now into the 40s, and we're not going to be seeing very many a whole lot of high temperatures. That's going to be into the 40s. Now tonight, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies. Again, possible snow showers could be in the forecast. Low temperature is going to be about 23 degrees. Winds will be out of the west-southwest at 5 to 15 miles an hour with gusts as high as 25 miles an hour. Now you could see this northwesterly flow here right now, bringing us some lake effect snow showers in parts of areas in Indiana, northwest Indiana. We could still see some lake effect snow showers in our area as well as we go forward here. And I'll show you that on future casts. And you see these strings of blues here that indicates this lake effect snow that's going to be coming to the area. I'm not expecting a lot in terms of accumulation, but we will be seeing some flying snowflakes as we go throughout the day on our Tuesday, Wednesday, and possibly even our Thursday. Some of it could mix in with a little bit of rain, especially as we go through the afternoon hours. That's of course due to the temperatures being a little bit warmer at that time of the day. And yes, you will see the next 3 days, we will see rain chances or snow chances in the forecast. Keep in mind, this is our last day of winter before spring arrives tomorrow night at 11:07 p.m. So keep that in mind. It's not going to feel like that, but that's what's going to happen. 40 degrees will be the high temperature for your Tuesday. Then we're going to be stuck back down into the 20s as we go through Wednesday and Thursday. Only slightly warming back up, Kevin, into the 30s as we go through this weekend. It looks like early next week we might see temperatures right back into the 40s once again.
All right, yeah, I guess this is a little bit of payback when we had that long stretch of those higher than normal temperatures, Ryan.
Yes, we experienced 70-degree temperatures a couple different occasions earlier this year, especially in February. That's unheard of around here. But yeah, now we're going back into some cooler temperatures here for the next several days here. We're going to be experiencing below average temperatures. For sure, and then you know what makes it even worse? You got those high winds today too. Yes, and that's going to make it feel much colder. It's going to feel like it's going to be in the 20s and teens throughout the day. And yes, that's uncomfortable, so we can't put away those winter clothes yet.